Is your garage door stuck halfway or refusing to open? That's usually a sign of a broken spring. Adams Garage Doors LLC in Virginia provides fast and professional spring replacement services. Their certified technicians arrive quickly, inspect the issue, and replace the damaged spring safely. They use durable, high-quality parts to ensure long-lasting performance. Your garage door will move smoothly and quietly again. Call Adams Garage Doors LLC, your reliable local expert for garage door spring replacement in VA. Browse adamsgaragedoorslllc.com for more information.